Is it time to buy or sell GRRR Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore the intricacies of GRRR Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to overlook any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 8th of September, 2025, our system has ranked GRRR Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 12.64% since we initially recommended purchasing shares of GRRR Technology Group just 9 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.4% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's future direction as it could move in either direction. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $20.78 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline, potentially signaling the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 17.65% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 45.18% to negative 16.55%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 44.10%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 16.68% to 253.72% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $23.92 and $72.51. Our latest daily update for GRRR Technology Group includes the headline, GRRR Technology Group Incorporated stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold accumulate after Thursday trading session. The stock price of GRRR Technology Group Incorporated experienced an increase of 2.14% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025. It rose from $20.07 to $20.50. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 8.26%, with a daily low of $19.60 and a daily high of $21.22. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 19.88% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is important to note that volume decreased on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $62.43 million. Falling volume on rising prices could indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $44.15, while the lowest price was $3.53. Currently, the price is 53.57%, or $23.65, below the 52-week high, and 95.98%, or $489.50, below the all-time high of $510 reached on the 15th of July, 2022. GRRR Technology experienced a notable rise today after securing a headline contract worth $1.4 billion over 3 years with Freyr to build and operate artificial intelligence data centers across Southeast Asia. This deal resulted in a stock increase of approximately 13% and will commence with a Phase 1 investment of $300 million in the fourth quarter of 2025. This news follows a series of positive developments from this summer. The revenue for the first half of 2025 nearly doubled to $39.3 million. An equity raise of $105 million in July bolstered the company's balance sheet, while debt was reduced to about $18.1 million. Management also reports a growing backlog, noted at over $70 million for 2026, alongside a multi-million-dollar, 3-year lawful interception contract for 5G services in the Asia-Pacific region. Analysts have upgraded the company's outlook as liquidity improves and higher-margin software and services are ramping up. In the short term, the Freyr contract and the analyst upgrades should help sustain momentum and attract more buyers. However, investors should be prepared for volatility as they assess the risks associated with execution and the timing of capital deployment. In the long term, multi-year service-level agreements and scalable artificial intelligence infrastructure have the potential to transform into steadier, higher-margin recurring revenue, provided that GRRR successfully executes its builds, GPU deployments, and operations. Nevertheless, concerns around margin expansion, customer concentration, and the delivery of large projects remain critical risks that will ultimately influence whether the stock can achieve sustainable re-rating. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GRRR a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GRRR a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned GRRR an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 8th of April, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GRRR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to GRRR Technology Group stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for GRRR Technology Group. The stock of GRRR Technology Group Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $18.57 and $17.33. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, August 7, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 30.32%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 100 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GRRR Technology Group. GRRR Technology Group Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $20.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.62 between its high and low, which is an 8.26% change. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.35%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for GRRR Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio signifies that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, Consistently negative PE ratios may indicate inadequate profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 25 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for GRRR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for GRRR Technology Group is at $21.10. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, GRRR Technology Group faces its initial support level at $20.07. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $19.92, reflecting a decrease of 2.84%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 83, which significantly elevates the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 29 days ago. Is GRRR Technology Group stock a good buy? GRRR Technology Group Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our evaluation of this stock from a strong buy to a hold candidate since the last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 19th of September, we anticipate that GRRR Technology Group will open lower by 6 cents and begin trading at $20.44. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.